The POCO F1 review. I know I'm very late to the party, but I was waiting for Xiaomi to push out the Android Pie update to the POCO F1 for me to test out. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the POCO F1 review. So without any delay, let's get straight onto the video. So this is a bit of a different kind of a video where we'll focus more on performance rather than the specifications. So if you want to know more about the specifications, then go check out my unboxing video right here. Come back and watch this video. The build of the POCO F1 is considered to be the weakest part of the phone because of the plastic or the polycarbonate build which has been adopted by POCO. One of the good factors of having a polycarbonate or a plastic bag is to not having to deal with the fingerprint smudges here and there. The plastic bag does not attract any kind of fingerprint, but it looks very plain. POCO is an enthusiast brand and they wanted to make the best performing device in the lowest price possible. So they had to cut corners, and the build is where they have cut corners. I'm in no way saying that the build is bad, but it's like a 3-year-old mid-range device. So it will last you long, but you'll not get the premium in-hand feel you're used to getting nowadays. In my usage with the device, I found the display to be one of the aspects where POCO has again cut corners. The display is undoubtedly good, but I have seen better displays in cheaper priced devices as well. So the display is not a very compelling factor to buy the POCO F1. The display is undoubtedly good, but it's not the best. Okay. One of the weird things I found with the display was the corners. The corners are cut very differently in the top and the bottom, which makes the phone display asymmetrical, which bothers me every single time I look at the device. Now, camera is the department where I was pleasantly surprised with the POCO F1. The stock camera app has got numerous updates and it has performed really well in my testing. But the real magic of the phone comes out when you use the phone with the Google Camera app. By the way, the POCO F1 is the only Xiaomi device which has the Camera to API enabled out of the box. So you can install Google Camera very easily with just an APK and it performs really well. The pictures out of this camera with the Google Camera app blew my mind. So I think you can spot the difference what Google Camera brings to the table. The Google Camera brings great sharpness, awesome HDR technology to the POCO F1. So the POCO F1 performs really good with the Google Camera APK. The front camera of the device also performs very good with the Google Camera. The portraits taken with the front camera using the Google Camera app are a lot sharper and a lot finer with great edge detection compared to the stock camera app. So if you own a POCO F1 right now, go install the Google Camera APK. If you want the download link, just comment and let me know, so I'll give it the download link in the description below. Now let's talk about the performance, and this is the segment where the POCO F1 shines very brightly. The POCO F1 is the best performing device in the sub 30,000 price bracket, and you can get the base variant for as low as 19,999. The POCO F1 is powered by the Snapdragon 845 and it handles everyday tasks like a charm. Playing PUBG on the POCO F1, you get HDR settings, you can play it as smooth as it gets. The POCO F1 also includes the liquid cooling technology, which does not make a lot of difference, but it's always good to have something like this in your hand. The phone runs on MIUI for POCO, which is a stripped down version of MIUI, which is closer to the stock Android interface when compared to the original MIUI in other Xiaomi devices. Talking about the fingerprint sensor is ultra fast as it is in all the Xiaomi devices. The POCO F1 has also support for IR Face Unlock, which is the same technology that has been used in the iPhone X and iPhone XS. So both the biometrics are ultra fast and very secure. The call quality and the network reception from the POCO F1 was amazing, and I did not face any kind of issues with that. If design is the primary concern for you to buy a device, then the POCO F1 is not a device for you, because the design is very plain and simple. But if you want raw performance, then you cannot beat POCO F1 in this segment, because it performs as well as the OnePlus 6T does in half of the price. Even if you go with the POCO F1 today, you will not be disappointed because the phone performs really good, and For me, it is the best value for money phone I have ever reviewed. So I guess that was pretty much it for the video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. See you in the next one.